What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? Well, it's the last Thursday of the month, and that can only mean one thing. It's Use Your Gear Day!
It's Use Your Gear Day.
Yes, that's right, Use Your Gear Day, a thing that I've been doing for the last couple of months now. We've got some fun stuff in store today.
Fun stuff.
Last month's Use Your Gear Day challenge was cordage. I challenged all of you to tie a lanyard. I did receive one photograph. We got a gentleman named Damon from Strong Island, New York, who sent me a picture of some lanyards that he tied as a result of the challenge. I gotta say, man, the lanyard game is on point. I do like the Ozark Trail knife. My buddy Greg Marinelli also sent me a picture of his current everyday carry, and he's rocking that Mossy Oak multi-tool. I asked him, I said, Greg, how you like that Mossy Oak multi-tool? And he said he likes it. I've definitely been impressed with the Mossy Oak multi-tool that I've been using. It's just way better than I thought it was gonna be, which just goes to show you, even as the president and founding member of the International Institute of Inexpensive Items, even I have a tendency to be kind of prejudiced when it comes to items that are just so inexpensive, it's almost suspicious. But yeah, those Mossy Oak multi-tools are punching way above their weight. What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's going on in Suds World this month? Well, it's first of all, it's Sunday on Memorial Day weekend when I'm recording this, so I hope all of you are having a fun and safe Memorial Day weekend. It's been raining quite a bit here in Texas. Kind of a gloomy Memorial Day weekend, to be honest with you. But the sun is out here on a Sunday morning, so I'm taking advantage of the sunlight so I can record this video.
The sun is out, the water is shimmering.
What have I been up to in the past month? I cleaned out my garage. God, having an organized garage is so nice. It was getting kind of messy in there. Cleaned up my back patio, so my wife and I have been enjoying sitting on the back patio in the mornings and the evenings. That's always nice. I heard that Drake came out with 3 albums at the same time, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I couldn't give a shit less. I've been revisiting a lot of old music. I went down an entire memory pathway yesterday listening to Mobb Deep. A lot of people think that Shook Ones Part 2 is one of their best songs, if not their best song. Hot take, I think Survival of the Fittest is Mobb Deep's greatest track ever. Yeah, I said it. I've been listening to a lot of old music recently. I've been listening to some Go-Go's, great pop music from the 80s. I also listened to the entire album Steady Diet of Nothing by Fugazi. What an amazing album that is. It's been a while since I listened to that one. Young people, check out Fugazi. You won't regret it. The Survivor Season 50 finale was this week. Survivor Season 50 was pretty amazing for anybody who watches Survivor. Watched a couple of old movies this week. Gina Carano and Ronda Rousey had a UFC fight that I didn't feel like paying for, so I went ahead and revisited a film called Haywire. From maybe 20 years ago at this point. It stars Gina Carano and an amazing cast. If you've never seen this movie, Haywire, just Google the cast. You'll be dumbfounded. I also revisited MacGruber, one of the funniest movies of all time. Easily one of Val Kilmer's best performances as Dieter von Kuntz.
No, wait, that didn't happen to me because I'm not a fucking retard.
Decided to finish Blood Meridian by Cormac McCarthy. I've been reading this book for a while. I started reading it during a power outage like 3 or 4 months ago. Gotta be honest with you guys, this is a tough one. I enjoy Westerns as a genre. I have enjoyed many Western books. This one is a bit of a tough one to get through. I'm kind of a lighthearted, funny guy, enjoy a good laugh. This book is the exact opposite of that. Rough stuff. It's some unconventional writing, pretty violent, but good overall. So I'm going to try to finish that this week. Thinking about reading that book, Project Hail Mary, but I'll probably just get lazy and watch the movie. Love me some Ryan Gosling. Just got a couple of cool items in the mail. I got this C61 from NextTorch. I'm going to be doing a review on this guy fairly soon. I also just got this S1 magnetic holder from Tactical Geek. Can't wait to test this guy out. Apparently you can tack it to a bag strap and click your phone to it and shit. Just got a fairly epic mail call from our friends at VanQuest. Just want to thank my buddy Justin over at VanQuest for all of his support.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
That is an unprecedented mail call. You guys are going to be seeing a lot more VanQuest in my upcoming videos. What am I carrying this week? Well, it is Memorial Day weekend, so I've got my USA carry. I got the Viperade VE15 with my USA Ranger Eye, Olight O-Pen Mini in my red, white, and blue configuration. I've got the Olight i3T in the Stars and Stripes. Yeah, I get it. It's a Chinese flashlight with the Stars and Stripes on it. All you guys that point shit like that out, you're so clever. I've also got my Benchmade bug out, American made for all you nitpicky people. Great knife. Love this knife. I know Benchmade has a weird reputation. I like my bug out. What can I say? This is my carry that I got this weekend. What are you guys carrying? Send me a picture at PocketTheoryDumps@gmail.com. Maybe I'll put you in next month's video. It is Use Your Gear Day. So what piece of gear are we challenging ourselves to use this month? Lubrication. Yes, that's right. Lubrication is important. Just ask your mom. Listen, rapper Ice Cube warned us way back in the 90s about the dangers of not using lube. We're not gonna make that same mistake. Not us, not you and me, no way. Lubrication is an easy way to keep things running smoothly and quietly around the house, but it will also help keep those things stay running for a long time. Almost anything that has a metal-on-metal interface is gonna benefit from some kind of lubrication. I mean, you're talking anything from door hinges to car engines. Young people, if you're not getting your oil changed on a regular basis, for God's sake, get your oil changed. It's gonna minimize friction and dramatically extend the lifespan of whatever you're lubricating. Regular door hinge lubrication, for example, prevents all kinds of annoying creaks and squeaks.
Sleeps, I've lost the sweeps, and I've lost the creeps.
It reduces wear and tear as well as rust and corrosion. You can also lubricate your garage door. It'll not only run more quietly, but it'll help the garage door opener last longer. What all can you lube up around the house? All hinges, window locks, bike chains, exercise equipment, tools, toolboxes, file drawers, filing cabinets, appliances, ladders, utility cart wheels. You can lube up laundry cart wheels. You can lube up desk chair wheels, door locks. You can lube up hair clippers, and of course, you can lube up pocket knives and multi-tools. When it comes to lube, what you choose does matter. Some lubes work better for certain applications than other lubes do. One important thing to note is this: as much as we all love WD-40, you do not actually want to use WD-40 when it comes to long-term lubrication. You're not good enough! Its primary purpose is not actually lubrication. Apparently, the WD stands for water displacing. Raise your hand if you actually knew that. Who fucking knew that? It's primarily a solvent and a penetrant. Wink. Yada yada. It's great for loosening bolts and such, but it's not so great when it comes to long-term lubrication. Do you have lubrication in your household? Do you carry lubrication as part of your EDC? Well, guess what? It's Use Your Gear Day, and it's time to lube something.
Lube it up now.
As you can see, lubrication can not only be beneficial, but it can be a whole lot of fun. What are you lubricating this month? Send me a picture to PocketTheoryDumps@gmail.com and perhaps I'll put you in next month's video. When it comes to keeping your shit lubricated, just remember, think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want!